So this is a workforce development effort from our chapter. What it is a hands-on event for the community to bring awareness to the kids about career paths that are options for them after they graduate, as well as career opportunities for those that are currently looking or want to switch. And it's just giving them that hands-on component, because you don't know if you like it unless you try it, right?
A lot of construction.
The one where you built the woods, where they were all like, yeet!
Working hands-on stuff too, that's the good part.
Some of these kids haven't seen stuff like this, you know. They come from families who just don't have access to stuff like this, and this is a great way for kids to see things that they're just not exposed to at home. I'm really interested in going into a trade. College really, it doesn't seem like the route for me, so I want to get into something using my hands more.
I mean, it was for a while, right? The narrative that construction was like a dead-end job. If you didn't go to college, you weren't successful. We believe that success looks different for everybody. Some of these kids are extremely smart, but they're hands-on. They got to be able to apply it and do things like that. When I first started my very first trades night, I fell in love because you got to watch some of these kids fall in love with their future.
There's a job for everyone, you just got to find it.
And at the end of the night, as long as we inspire some kids to maybe even just question the possibilities of what their future looks like, and so that they can truly live their best life, that's my hope.